A high-performance cutting wheel is not just a black disc with a hole in the middle. What's the manufacturing process of cutting wheel? What accessories are needed for cutting wheel? It's also very important that how to ensure the cutting wheel's quality can meet the high safety standards. Our video shows you how to combine the material, the metal ring, fiber mice, abrasive grain, and adhesive to create high-performance finished CNDOME cutting and grinding wheel. The metal ring is the pillar of the grinding wheel, providing the strength required for precision and durability. The fiber mice reinforce the strength of the disc, keep the disc safe and not break during cutting and grinding. And then there is the secret wiping, our exclusive CNDOME abrasive particle and binder formula. When these elements are combined, they form a powerful combination ready to handle any task. You can check our below website and contact us for top quality products.